What it do, YouTube? Let me let up the window. It's windy outside. God dang. I'm gonna close the moonroof too. Gotta turn on the air though. God dang. How y'all feeling though? God dang. Hey man. We out here. Really out here. Like really out here, man. Just, chilling. Probably ain't gonna say much. I'm gonna let y'all like listen to the, we are gonna do a 0 to 60 on once I get to this road. Okay, don't be that many, you feel me? 12 over there. So, I feel like that's the best time to get my 0 to 60 out of here. Put it in Sport Plus. Let it do what it do. Real smooth. That shit smoking. Well, I'm trying to tell you. I'm going ahead. You feel me? We're gonna put it in Sport Plus. Put it in Sport Plus. Y'all hear that? I think that's the speakers though. It makes some sound. Boy, let's imagine. Almost every car in about 10 years is gonna be a hybrid with a 4-cylinder in it, or it's gonna be all electric. Just so they can get over that law. What is the law? You gotta have like 50 miles per gallon or something by 2032. I think that's the year that the government gave them. I would do a complete stop in the road and get my 0 to 60. And make sure there ain't no police right here, so I don't think nothing weird going on. All right. Ain't no car behind me. All right. Starting from 3, 2, 1, go. God dang. All right, that's how long it took to get to 60. I ain't keep track. I ain't turned traction control off or none of that. I don't know if I talked about in the last one, but so some of the features, I'm not sure if they locked behind like a feature I gotta buy to get the feature, but like I know I got a feature where I can get the traffic signals and it help me with traffic lights. Like if I can't see it, it'll turn that front camera on to see the light and stuff like that automatically. So it's cost $100. It ain't no monthly subscription for that. So either you pay $100 per year, or you pay $300 to have it forever. So I'm debating to getting that this Friday. I'm gonna get it, but I'm getting like the permanent. Like I ain't, cause I don't know if you pay per year. It's just like that per year. So if you do 4 years, you pay $400 for something you could have just had $300, and you got it for good. So I'm definitely getting that soon. But it was the adaptive cruise control, and I was like, this car can self-park, unpark itself, but it don't have lane keep or none of that. I'm like, it does everything that lane keep do, and it got the sensors on here for it. So when I went and got my car detailed Saturday, I asked before I went, like, hey, is it possible to get it retrofitted? The lady came to me and said, well, Mercedes won't do it, but a third party a shop can do it, but won't recommend it because if something go wrong with the car, they would say that is possibly what messed up your car and you void your warranty. And it's like, God dang. Even if it's not the problem, they said they would still use that as, like, God. Oh, yeah, you had this system? Yeah, that's why the tires blowed out. What? Hey, so I'm gonna buy the system. I wonder if it's like locked up, like, yeah, you buy this one, then you buy this one. Cause I was like, it got it even got the dash cam for collision. So if somebody hit the car and drive off, I got a dash cam that will record their license plate. I got literally it got the assistant driver front thing. It saves when a car is in front of you. So it's like everything is here. It's really a software update, and the button is not on here. I think this is supposed to be the button, the voice thing. Yeah, I think that's what it is. But yeah, it's like it gotta be a way. But I ain't tripping. I'm just thinking, like, I just got so used to my car doing a lot of the lifting on road trips that it helped with driver fatigue. No lie, it helps with it. I don't even know what the speed limit is. They need bus drivers. Hey, funny story. It was about maybe 2016, 2017. There was a shortage on bus drivers. It was like real bad. Like real bad. Like real bad. Right? And the person that was over the board of education, I'm not sure what the job title is it like president or whatever their job title is. They the top person. Like they are basically like the president. Like they are the face. They the one that have the final say so of policies in school and things of that nature. So this man knows it's a shortage of bus drivers. He already been ridiculed about his policies and things about suspension. At this time, you can't even suspend a kid. And if you expel them, he could reverse it within a day or two. Because he didn't believe in suspension. Literally, I was working at a school at the time. And it was a kid that stole laptops and cell phones. He stole teacher cell phones and he stole the school laptops and got caught. And I think he got sent home and he was able to come back to school the next day. The man brought a BB gun with 2 clips and was able to come back to school. Like, he got suspended, I think, for that. But literally, the mom told the board she don't have a babysitter and she work at a hair salon and she needs to go to work to pay her bills, and he needed to be in school so he can go to work. So literally, he was able to come to school the next day. Maybe the same day, but yeah. So, say all that, it's like, you think these are people getting expelled and suspended. No, he's overturning it. So, shortage of bus drivers. He decided to take one of the bus drivers. They are short, remember, short staff on bus driver. He decided to take one of them and make him even shorter to make that bus driver his personal driver. Look how crazy that is. Instead of hiring a personal driver, he took a bus driver where they are short staff. That's like you own a McDonald's. They are short of cooks. And you decide to take one of the cooks to make them your personal cook. Like oh man, forget the business. I'm getting paid regardless. Hey, you want to be my personal chef? Like, come on, man. Like, what's going on with you, my guy? But yeah, man. Cool little night, man. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all riding with me. I don't know if y'all like the short ones or the long one. Y'all let me know, and I'll do whatever y'all like. Hey, but hey, I appreciate y'all joining me. Make sure y'all like the video and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.